Welcome to my garden. Today we're going to be planting some more daffodils and tulips in preparation for spring. I already have a lot of replete daffodils in the front yard, but I wanted some color in the back. So I've chosen to go with Sweet Desire daffodils and our all pink mix tulips. And I found the best way to be planting these is actually just to mix them together. So I'm going to dump them all in here. You can do this with tulips, with daffodils, with any mix of them. Oh, not for you, Alfie. And I'm just going to kind of mix them around in here so I get a variation everywhere. The first thing I wanted to do is I dug a hole about 6 to 8 inches deep. I'm going to add a little bit of granular fertilizer, not letting the doggy eat it. Mix that in. And I'm going to pick a couple tulips and a daffodil, and we're going to point them face up so that this point part is pointing up towards the sky. Plant those about 6 to 8 inches deep, and using some of our soil that we've amended with our living soil, bury it back over and wait for the prettiness in spring.